What's up, fam? See the Bentayga. The Bentayga hard.
It's dusty.
It is dusty, but oh, how'd you get that already? How'd you get that already?
I hit a truck.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Smart man. The game.
Yeah. Hey, wait, what'd you say? It's too hot in here.
Oh, it's too hot in there. Oh,
Yeah,
you got to put it in the front seat, buckle it up.
Yeah, man. Whoa.
Whoa. All right.
Yeah. Hey, man, shout out to the man Aaron Greenberg, coming through per usual. Custom Xbox, you see it. Power your dreams. Yeah. So, yeah, we going to do something. We got to get one of these bad boys away, man. What I'm going to do with all these Xboxes, man? I know somebody need one. Holla at me. Let's work something out. Gonna get all Dior Jordans.
Well, you catch me. You had fun.
He ain't gonna have shit. Exactly. Nothing. He ain't gonna have nothing.
You guys are always frustrated with Ronnie. Well, I'm here with him now. If you guys want me to punch him or strangle, we'll do a poll. What do you guys want me to do, Ronnie 2K, while I'm here?
Seen Flacco recently?
The finals,
I got
man.
Fat Boy behind me.
Yes, sir.
Dan Real going for Shaq.
It's the finals, man. We lit, man.
Yeah, I'm going for Shaq.
I got some money on this, man. Yes, sir. Stop playing with me. Hey, Shaq, what we doing, man? Hey, Shaq, what we doing?
We lit, we winning. That's what we doing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we still here winning.
Yeah, man. That just when you lose, just give him, you know what I'm saying? Cash at me. All right, good looking. Yes, Sirski, it's going down. No kizzy.